Test your knowledge of Earth's extremes. Which ocean zone receives enough sunlight to support most marine plants? Answer B. Sunlit zone. Which climate zone is characterized by hot summers, mild winters and seasonal rainfall? Answer B. Mediterranean. Ocean trenches are formed mainly at convergent plate boundaries. That's true. Which volcano type is broad with gentle slopes built from fluid lava? Answer C. Shield volcano. Which rare plant is known for surviving on almost no soil in Madagascar? Answer B. Traveler's tree. Don't miss the previous part, it's on my profile.